Hello, welcome to maths class. Today let us have a problem based on circles, that is cyclic properties of a circle. Let us have a problem, figure based problem. This is the given figure. In this figure, these two circles intersect at points P and Q. Angle A is 80 degree and angle D is 84 degree given to us. If we have to calculate angle QBC, this angle, and angle BCP, this angle, these two angles we have to calculate or find. So, for this particular question, what we have to do is, directly from here to here or here to here we cannot do anything. So, what we have to do is join PQ. We have to join PQ, so we can see AQPD is a cyclic quadrilateral for this circle and BQPC is a cyclic quadrilateral for this. Yes or no, for this circle. Already we have learnt that in the previous classes you have learned that opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. And also you have learned that exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to its interior opposite angle or interior alternate angle. So, for this quadrilateral AQPD, this is the exterior angle when DP is produced to C. Angle QPC is the exterior angle. For this angle, interior opposite angle is angle DAQ. So they are equal because you have learned the theorem. So let us have the solution. First is join PQ. Okay. Then AQPD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, first let us work cyclic quadrilateral. So angle QPC is equal to angle DAQ, that is equal to 80 degree, because exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angle. Okay. Same way, these two, this is exterior angle and this is interior opposite angle. This is also exterior angle. For this exterior angle, angle D is opposite, interior opposite angle. So we can write angle PQB is also equal to angle ADP, that is 84 degree, because of the same reason. So now we got this one 80 degree, this is 84 degree, and we know that QBCP is also a cyclic quadrilateral. So in a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. So now let me write BQPC is a cyclic quadrilateral. As BQCP is a cyclic quadrilateral, we know that in a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. Now we got angle QPC, we got 80 degree. So this one will be 180 minus 80 degree. So let me write angle QBC is equal to 180 degree minus angle QPC. Why? Because let me write 180 degree minus 80 degree, that gives you 100 degree. In one line I have did, because they are the opposite angles. No need to write opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, because here I have written already. I have written. So QBC, that is the first bit, is done. Already we got. Now we have to find angle BCP for the second bit. Angle BCP and angle PQB or PQB, they are interior. They are the opposite angles of this cyclic quadrilateral. So angle BCP is equal to 180 degree minus angle PQB, that is 180 degree minus angle PQB is 84 degree. You will get 96 degree because of the same reason. So this particular question is, we have to calculate Angle QBC that we got 100 degree, and we have to find angle BCP that we got 96 degree. Okay? I hope you understood. Thank you.